5.4 centimeters thick, 10 kilograms weight, 100,000 hours lifespan. This is EM Smart 1, the smallest 20-watt fiber laser marking machine in the world. A totally new generation laser engraver, which is so portable, profitable, and professional for laser engraving solution. Take it out of the box, plug it in, set it up. It is just one-step installation. You can finish your first marking in a few minutes, with high speed as well as high precision. From metals to plastics, from stones to leathers, EM Smart 1 is able to mark and engrave almost all kinds of materials. Laser your ideas anytime, anywhere, no matter you are a DIY lover, a handy craftsman, a workshop owner, a Etsy seller, or a gift shop keeper. EM Smart 1 always works on your ideas, or take your business to a new level. With EM Smart 1, you can make personalized gifts for your loved ones or make the ordinary days become extraordinary. EM Smart 1 will always make magic happen. As the world's smallest fiber laser machine, you can use it at home, office, shops, expeditions, or whatever you can image. Not only it's portable, but also has the commercial capacity. That makes EM Smart 1 a perfect machine to boost your business. Or even to start your new career with low investment but high yield. Life has been never so colorful until you meet EM Smart 1. It graces your daily life. It realizes your imaginations. There are no restrictions on EM Smart 1, just like there are no restrictions on your mind. You think, you mark. Protective shield, safety goggle, air filter, aluminum case, these are also options available for you. It's not just a machine, but your safety and health have been always our first priority. Whenever and wherever you want to see your ideas come true, we're always here with the right tool to help. It makes things different. It makes a better life. EM Smart 1. You think, you mark.